Hi, y'all. So today we are going to look at the slip knot. And the slip knot is our very baby basics. It gets the yarn on the crochet hook. So I don't know about other crocheters, but for me, learning the slip knot was really tricky. And so I'm going to show you two different methods. And the first way is to construct the slip knot against the table. And then I'm going to show you how to do the slip knot in your hand. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with the slip knot. So the end of the yarn is known as the tail. And the yarn that is attached to the body of the yarn or the skein is called the strand. And what you're going to do is you're going to take that strand and create a loop, just like that. Then you're going to take the strand and tuck it underneath your loop. Then you're going to take the yarn that's in the loop and lift up. Your left hand is going to hold onto the tail and pull in the opposite direction. Now you're going to put the hook into the loop. Using the strand part of the yarn, you're going to make the slip knot smaller so that it fits snugly on the crochet hook. Okay, doing the slip knot in your hand. Now you're going to hold the tail in your left hand and create a loop with your right. You're also, with your left hand, going to hold on to that strand so that your right hand can make a V shape. Your right hand is going to twist the yarn under, grabbing the yarn that's in the left hand. You see, right there. Now you're going to take that yarn and pull it through the loop. That's the tail yarn. And your left hand is holding on to the strand. Let's do it again a little slower. The tail end is in your left hand, and you're going to wrap a loop around your right hand fingers. Your left hand is also going to hold on to the strand. That's going to hold on to the shape of the loop. Your right hand is going to create a V, and you're going to turn the fingers under. You're going to grab the tail end yarn that's in your left, pull it through the loop, holding on to the strand with your left, and then you've got your slip knot. This does take practice, but I am confident that y'all will get a hang of it. So now it's time to learn the chain stitch. Now the chain stitch is the very beginning stitch that you do in just about any basic pattern. You're going to hold the yarn with the slip knot in your crochet hook in the left hand, and you're going to hold on to your strand with your right. Now that strand of yarn is going to lay across your three fingers, your middle, your ring, and your pinky, and you're going to wrap the yarn around your index finger. Now with your thumb and your middle finger, you're also going to hold on to the tail. This is going to help with the tension. So what you're going to do is wrap the yarn around the hook, just like that. You're going to twist the hook towards you and then pull it through the slip knot, and that's going to be your first chain. Okay, so we're going to try this again, and I've zoomed in, so hopefully we can see the making of the stitch a little better. So what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you continue to hold on to that tail with your thumb and middle finger. I'm going to wrap the yarn around the hook, turning the hook towards me as I pull the hook through the stitch. just like that. Let's do it again. I'm going to wrap the yarn around the hook. I'm going to turn the hook towards me as I pull it through the stitch, moving my thumb and my index finger up the chain so that I can control the tension. See? Just like that. I would keep practicing the chain stitch until you have a nice long chain, and then when you're ready, pull it out and start again. Okay, crocheters, well, that was part 2 of Crochet Beginnings. You now know how to do a slip knot and a chain stitch. In the next video, we will explore the single crochet. I hope you'll join me. Okay, until next time.